Fast, loud, and fun. Remember the days when going to a game meant sitting in nosebleed seats, eating overpriced hot dogs, and praying your phone would catch 1 bar of signal? Well, welcome to 2026, where stadiums are basically the love child of Elon Musk and FIFA. Today we're diving into stadium technology, where AI, 5G, and enough LED lights to make Times Square jealous come together to blow your socks off. Don't worry, there's an AI robot to find them later. Smart stadium, like Jarvis but with popcorn. Modern stadiums are now smart. Not like got accepted to Harvard smart, more like knows when you're about to stand up for nachos and places your order before you realize you're hungry smart. Oh, eye-powered facial recognition? Facial check-ins so fast, TSA got jealous. Real-time seat upgrades, because hey, someone's always late. Bathroom heat maps. Yes, heat maps, showing which ones have the shortest line, because missing a goal while in line is a crime. Probably. Joke break. It's like the stadium knows you better than your ex, but don't worry, this one won't ghost you after the playoffs. 5G, faster than a QB on Red Bull. You ever try uploading a video in an old stadium? It's like watching a sloth on dial-up. Now with 5G, you can live stream your hot dog as you eat it. You're in section 315, but want to see that last play from a better angle? Boom, AR replay on your phone. It's like being Tony Stark, but in a jersey. The signal is so strong, even your smartwatch feels like it's part of the Avengers. Immersive audio. It's like the crowd is inside your head. Directional speakers, crowd mics, and spatial audio. Now, when 60,000 people scream at the ref, you'll feel it in your soul. It's so immersive, you'll swear your neighbor Steve is yelling in 4K surround sound. And honestly, he probably is. Light shows. Coachella? Who? Stadiums now come with synchronized LED light shows. Touchdown? The entire stadium goes full Marvel intro sequence. Penalty? Sad trombone lights. End of the match? Fireworks that could make Sydney's New Year look like a school science fair. It's not just a game anymore. It's a concert, a rave, and a NASA launch all in one. Drones, robots, and the future of snacks. Why wait in line when a robot can bring your nachos? In some places, drones deliver snacks right to your seat. Just duck if you're sitting behind someone ordering onion rings. I asked for a soda. It came with a free therapy session and a Spotify playlist. Technology is wild. Outro, grand finale. So next time someone says, I prefer watching from home, you say, nah, I go to the stadium for the Wi-Fi, gourmet burgers, LED raves, and AI-powered bathroom breaks. Because in 2026, stadiums aren't just places to watch sports. They're where the future gets loud, proud, and probably photobombed by a snack drone. Smash that like button harder than a hockey check, hit subscribe like you're Ronaldo in the box, and comment below, what's the wildest tech you've seen at a game? This was your channel name, bringing you sports, tech, and laughs faster than a Formula One pit stop. Peace out.